Quick, remember these three words: apple, river, chair. Got it? Hold them in your mind. Now, without looking away, what is 14 plus 9? Easy, it is 23. Now, what is your phone number backwards? Wait, did you feel that sudden freeze in your brain? By the way, what were those three words? Apple, river, and what else? If you forgot the word chair or felt completely stuck on the math, you did not fail. Your brain just crashed. You ran out of mental RAM. Think of your brain like a smartphone. When you open a new app, it uses a little bit of battery. If you leave 50 apps open in the background, your phone gets hot, the screen freezes, and everything slows down to a crawl. Your brain does the exact same thing. Every unfinished task, every unread message, and every little choice you have to make today is a tab left open in your mind. We call these open apps memory leaks. Let me ask you this. Have you ever been to a busy restaurant and wondered how the waiter remembers your exact order without writing it down? But if you ask that same waiter what you ordered 10 minutes after you finish eating, their mind goes completely blank. Why? Because human brains hate unfinished business. In psychology, there is a famous rule for this called the Zeigarnik effect. Simply put, our minds remember unfinished tasks much better than finished ones. As long as the food is not on your table, the waiter's brain holds on to the information. The moment the food is delivered, the brain deletes the file. Right now, you are carrying around hundreds of undelivered meals in your head. Your brain keeps whispering to you, "Don't forget to buy milk. Don't forget to pay that bill." You need to reply to that email. It is trying to help, but instead it is draining your mental battery. Your brain is not slow. Your background tasks are just eating your processing power. This leads to decision fatigue. Have you ever stared at a restaurant menu or looked into your closet and felt completely exhausted by the idea of picking just one thing? That is decision fatigue. Your mental battery is blinking red. You have no energy left to choose because all your power is being used to keep those background tabs open. When you feel overwhelmed, tired, or unable to focus, you do not need another cup of coffee. You need to close those tabs. You need to learn how to clear your brain's mental RAM. The 2-minute flush is the easiest and fastest way to get your energy back. Imagine plugging a USB drive into a full computer to move all the heavy, old files out of the way. You're going to do that, but with a piece of paper. This is the external hard drive method. Here is exactly how the 2-minute flush works. Grab a blank piece of paper and a pen. Set a timer on your phone for exactly 2 minutes. Now, write down every single thing floating in your head. Do not organize it. Do not make a neat list. Do not worry about spelling. Just dump it all out onto the page. Write down the huge things, like a massive project for work, and the tiny things, like fixing a broken shoe or calling your mother. Write down the groceries you need and the random thoughts bothering you. Get it out of your head and onto the paper. By doing this, the paper becomes your external hard drive. Once those tasks are written down, you are sending a powerful signal to your brain. You are telling it everything is safe. We have a physical record of this now. You can stop holding on to it. The relief you feel after those 2 minutes is almost instant. The mental loops close, the background apps shut down, and your brain suddenly has all of its speed, memory, and focus back. This simple trick works every single time because your brain is a beautiful factory for creating ideas, not a warehouse for storing them. When you stop forcing your mind to hold on to 100 tiny tasks, you give yourself the gift of clear, calm energy. You can finally focus on the beautiful moment right in front of you. So, what is the one random, unfinished task that has been stuck in the back of your mind all week? Let me know down in the comments. I would love to read them and maybe help you close that loop. If you enjoyed exploring how your mind works today, feel free to subscribe and join our community for more fun insights. Thanks for watching Mind Trick, and I will see you in the next one.